Hi guys. In previous video I show you how to connect your mobile to your laptop. Now I will show you how you can stream in Streamlabs OBS. So you have to do nothing, like you have connected your phone to the Wi-Fi. You have to be connected in the same Wi-Fi, and now connect the Streamlabs OBS. So I will give link in the description if you have not downloaded it. So it will be like this, Streamlabs OBS. So you have to go here and you have to put game capture, click and do add source, and then you have to add, it will come like this to you. Do add source, go to this option, go to capture specific window, and your phone will be this one, screencopy.exe. This OnePlus, my device is OnePlus, so I will click here, then click here. If your device is not showing here, in some laptop I think there's some issue, it will not take here, so you can click this one, SLI crossfire capture mode, so your device will come. See, it came. So you can unclick this and do done. And like if I open the game like PUBG, you can grab from here and you can extend here till here. You can go from here live. If is there any issue, you can comment down below. If there any issue in previous video, you can comment down below, ask me if there any issue you are facing. I will reply and try to solve your problem. Until see you next time.